Hi students, welcome back. In our previous session we discussed about nutrients and about carbohydrates. Today we are going to discuss about the essential nutrient, that is the protein. Before going to that, just go through an experiment detecting the presence of starch. To test the presence of starch in the given food sample. Here the food sample is rice gruel. Materials required: a test tube, a starch solution. Here rice gruel, diluted iodine solution, a dropper, a test tube holder. Procedure: take a few milliliter of starch solution in a test tube with the help of a dropper. Add 6 to 8 drops. Now add a few drops, 2 to 3 drops of iodine solution to it. What happens? Observe the change in the color. The color of the mixture changes to blue. A deep blue color is formed. Because of the presence of starch in it, the color is formed. Next, we are going to discuss about proteins.
Look at the picture given in your textbook of page number 60. What may be the reason for this difference? It is because of the deficiency of protein. Protein is a major food constituent that helps the development and growth of the body. Deficiency of protein leads to retardation of growth. Protein is essential for the formation of cells, hair, digestive juice, etc. in the body. Protein produces energy in the absence of carbohydrates. So, in the absence of carbohydrates, protein produces energy. Protein contains hydrogen, carbon, oxygen, nitrogen, and sulfur. In accordance with the body weight, one should obtain protein from diet at the rate of 1 gram per kilogram. So, if your body weight is 27, you want to obtain protein of 27 gram. In page number 61 of your textbook, there is a table given. 6.8 gram of protein is contained in 100 gram of rice. 11.8 gram of protein is contained in 100 gram of wheat. 21.2 gram of protein is contained in 100 gram of cashew nut. And 19.6 gram of protein is contained in sardine fish. And 21.6 gram of protein is contained in duck. And in duck's egg, 13.5 gram of protein is contained, and in 100 gram of hen's egg, 13.3 gram of protein is contained. 21.4 gram of protein is contained in mutton, and 3.2 gram of protein is contained in cow's milk. 24.0, that means 24 gram is contained in green gram. 17.1 gram of protein is contained in 100 gram of groundnut. Next, we are going to study about the disease Kwashiorkor. Kwashiorkor is a disease caused by the deficiency of protein. The body of the affected will be weak and with a protruded belly, as shown in the figure. Next, we are going to test protein in egg white. Add egg white in a test tube. Add 2 drops of concentrated copper sulfate solution to it. Stir it well. After that, add concentrated sodium hydroxide to it. Again, stir it well. Observe the appearance of violet color indicates the protein. So students, let's summarize our today's session. Today we discussed about protein and test for protein and test for starch. And also we discussed about the disease caused by the deficiency of protein called kwashiorkor. That's all for today. Thank you.